This website will pay you simply for doing microtasks. In my recent video, I unveiled a Nigerian website that actually pay you for doing simple things like watching YouTube videos, subscribing to YouTube channel, joining Telegram groups and all that. Now this is another big fish and you have to take advantage of it. It's another website that is ready to pay you in dollar, which means you have nothing to worry about the current Naira dollar crisis. So right in this exciting video, we'll be diving deep into the world of online freelancing with SproutGigs, formerly known as Pico Worker, a website that contains a number of overwhelming tasks that are waiting for you to take advantage of them and get paid for it. And guess what? Most of these tasks contain high payment rates. But hold on a second, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, I would like you to hit the like button and also smash that subscribe button. You can also ring the bell to stay updated for more valuable videos like this. So let's get started with it. So to get started, you have to click on the link right in the description below or the pinned comment below. You can also visit picoworkers.com or SproutGigs.com. Alright, here we are on the website where freelancers and businesses connect for quick and affordable tasks. Today, I'll walk you through everything: how SproutGigs works, potential earnings, and the steps to kickstart your journey right away. Let's click on Freelance and Earn to explore the worker's perspective. Here you can find recent tasks completed by freelancers, from small gigs to significant results. These micro tasks may seem small, but trust me, they add up quickly. Curious about the sign-up process? It's a breeze. Just follow the steps, confirm your email, and you are good to go. Select I'm an employer, agree, and sign up. Now let's dive into the worker's dashboard. As you can see, there's a variety of tasks with different pay rates. The magic here is in the simplicity of micro tasks. They are easy and quick, and they accumulate into substantial earnings. Sorting by the highest paying can help you find the most lucrative opportunity. Let's take a closer look at tasks. For example, sign up for a crypto account. It's a straightforward process. Create an account, verify yourself, and earn. The pay may seem small, but remember, it adds up fast. But that's not all. SproutGigs offered paid surveys and other tasks through platforms like Polefish and more. These tasks update regularly, offering continuous opportunities to earn. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Did you know you can become an employer on SproutGigs and make even more income? Don't worry, just stick around. I will show you exactly how it is done. Meet Max Bounty, a free affiliate marketing platform. By selecting high converting offers like sweepstakes, you can create affiliate links to promote tasks on SproutGigs. For instance, promote a home makeover offer on Max Bounty. Pay workers 50 cents per sign up while you earn $1.80. It's a win-win situation. This synergy between affiliate marketing and SproutGigs can be a game changer. Now let me show you how to post a job on SproutGigs. Specify the task details, provide the affiliate link, set worker requirements, and just like that, you are now an employer offering tasks with great earning potentials. Remember to adjust settings like worker level, task limit, and pay rate. And yes, you will need to deposit some money into your SproutGigs account to get started, but don't worry, it stays in your account until you see results. This might seem like a lot of work, but it's nothing compared to what you stand to gain. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. This is a website that is ready to pay you as much as you can work, and if you are thinking about that Nigerian website that is also ready to pay you for anything at all, including watching videos, joining Telegram group, and some other simple micro tasks, then the video that just popped up on the screen will show you exactly how it is done. Whatever you do, never stop making money.